Matt, welcome to Matt Hearts Ice Cream. Today we're going to try the Blizzard of the Month for September, the chocolate-covered cheesecake. Now I'm in a lot of trouble because the month is halfway over and I haven't yet tried the new Blizzard. And this one looks like a doozy too. It is fudge and chocolate chunks and cheesecake chunks. Unfortunately, it's 690 calories and 31 grams of fat. So this is the definition of a sometimes treat. Still, I'm excited because I'm a huge fan of cheesecake, so I'm stoked to give this a shot. And plus, it's the Blizzard of the Month, and Blizzards of the Month typically rock. It's chocolatey. It is like really chocolatey, which is totally awesome. You got that great little cheesecake twang. Yeah, the cheesecake is like melts in your mouth. It's like eating like an awesome little cheesecake. So this is completely a fun Blizzard. I feel bad for waiting so long. I didn't mean to hesitate. It just got away from me. But I gotta quit slacking because this thing is awesome. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month, the chocolate cheesecake, 5 scoops of happiness.